You're at a higher risk for sleep apnea if you snore, because when you snore, obviously the soft tissue is reverberating on the back of the throat. And if that's the situation, then we know that there's some sort of obstruction. There are different reasons why people snore, but many times it is because of an airway obstruction, outside of nerve damage to the tongue or medications, but many times it's because there's not enough room for the tongue. And that is where we come in and we can look at the alignment of the teeth. Do you have crowding? Maybe we move into looking at an orthodontic solution and move those teeth out so we create more space for that tongue. Do we create an appliance where we can actually physically move your jaw forward, which would open up the airway? Do we look at CPAP? There are a lot of different therapies, but in order to get there, we have to get a diagnosis.